Neuralink held its third event, where CEO Elon Musk announced that probably in about 6 months, we will be able to install Neuralink in a human. Earlier in February, Neuralink confirmed that monkeys had died while testing prototypes of its implants. Before we even consider putting a device in an animal, we do our best to test thoroughly. We are not lighthearted about putting these devices in animals, Musk said. Neuralink is still working on getting FDA approval. The device relies on 1024 5-micron wires that are sewn into the subject's gray matter to form connections with surrounding neurons, providing high-resolution sampling of brain electrical signals and translating analog electrical impulses into digital computer code. So far, all Neuralink has been able to achieve is getting the monkey to play Pong without a joystick. That's what you look at. In the foreseeable future, humanity will forget about the existence of smartphones and will use its own brain instead.